right, here we are, guys. Time for another Sofi update. We have to go over the charts as we're moving today up almost 3%, and I want to go over what some of the biggest firms out there are saying about Sofi right now. But first, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. We're almost at 50,000 subs, guys. Make sure to do that and get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it, guys. So at this point in time, it's about 1:30 p.m. on the East Coast, and we have Sofi moving up almost 3% as now every index is back in the green. Earlier this morning, I couldn't say the same. We had the S&P, the NASDAQ in the red, but now the S&P's up 0.4, NASDAQ's up around 0.25%. Russell is crushing it, up 1.3%, with the Dow up almost 0.5%, and the VIX, the volatility index, is down 7%. And guys, we're moving back into the mid-16s. In fact, earlier today in the morning, we almost hit $17 per share, and we took out the highs from yesterday very clearly, where we double topped at about 16.30. That was yesterday, more towards the end of the day. You guys see the double top here. So we broke out of that, which is ideal, right? And here on the 5-day, 5-minute, you guys can see we're slowly starting to break out, not just from yesterday's highs, but from the day before, which that was on Tuesday. And we're heading towards the highs from Monday, intraday Monday, which we got earnings on Monday, right? So this is starting to go in the right direction. And yes, you can still say we're consolidating here, but we're slowly building momentum, guys. We have a golden cross. We're above both moving averages here on the 5-day, 5-minute chart. And we're moving. We're moving. All the time frames point to potentially more upside. Not guaranteed, of course, guys, but that's kind of what I'm noticing right now. We're peaking above both moving averages on the 30-minute chart. On the 1-hour chart, you guys see we're bouncing off the 50 SMA, getting awfully close to breaking out of the $17 180 moving average. We're getting there, guys. And on the 4-hour chart, we're looking great. We're looking great. I mean, we got to be, beaten up a little bit after earnings, which I think was, a buy the dip opportunity, quite frankly. And I did buy the dip at 15.50 2 days ago, right? Yeah, 2 days ago. So I thought that was a buy the dip. I bought it, and now we're starting to push. And that doesn't mean we can't go lower. This could go lower for sure. But as of now, bulls are in charge. The dip is being bought up, and the uptrend on this 4-hour time frame, I don't know about you guys, but to me, it looks like it's continuing, right? Buyers are coming in 15.50. We're holding a higher low. We're popping back to the mid-16s now. I could not be happier in the short term here on these charts, right? We're looking great. So let me show you now what these firms are saying and some of these price targets, which, some of them I disagree with, but hey, let's get into it. So Goldman Sachs, you guys want to see what their price target is? Are you ready to take a look at this? So Goldman Sachs issues positive forecast for Sofi Technologies stock price. So you're probably like, okay, maybe they bumped it, a lot higher. Well, their price target, guys, is a whopping $9.50. Sofi Technologies had its price target increased by investment analysts at Goldman Sachs from $8.50 to $9.50, according to Benzinga. And the firm presently has a neutral rating on the stock, and the Goldman Sachs price objective indicates a potential downside of 41% from where the stock currently is. So Goldman Sachs, $9.50 price target. Let's see here. Keefe, Bruyette, and Woods reinform and underperform. So they have an $8 price target. But Needham and Company LLC lifted their price target on SoFi from $13 to $20. And now we're talking, baby. Forget about Bruyette and Woods, Keefe, Bruyette and Woods. Forget about Goldman Sachs. Needham knows where it's at, baby. And William Blair restated an outperform rating as well. Jefferies Financial Group boosted their price target from $12 to $13. Okay, I respect that. And gave the company a buy rating. Okay, I like that. And let's see, JP Morgan raised their price target on SoFi from $9 to $16. Wow, that's a nice pop there. Increase in price target with a neutral rating. That actually came out early December, so that's not really news at this point. But yeah, let's see what else. According to data from MarketBeat, the stock has a consensus rating of hold, which I could agree with, although I did buy more 2 days ago, but I just averaged in a little more, guys. Not a big deal. But yeah, market consensus rating of a hold and a consensus price target of $12.50. Not bad, not bad. Obviously lower from where we are now, but I figured, hey, let me share with you guys what a lot of these analysts are saying. And I guess that $20 price target is the highest on Wall Street, I'm pretty sure. From Needham and Company LLC. I think we saw that on Yahoo Finance a couple of videos ago. But yeah, what do you guys think about that? I mean, obviously, I don't make my decisions, my investment decisions, based off of these firms or these analysts. You know, I'm not going to be like, oh, because Goldman Sachs said $8 price target, I'm out of this stock. No, that's not the case, because once you guys are in this game for quite some time in the stock market, you realize the games that these firms play, right? Some of them slash the price targets, you know, all the while having a short position, right? And then they make money when it goes down, if it goes down. And then all of a sudden they flip bullish. They're like, oh, well, now we're going to be out, you know, have an outperform rating. We're going to boost the stock price up. That's how they make money up, you know, up and down on these stocks. And obviously, you know, they're not 100%. It's not like they're making all these moves 100% correctly. Obviously, these firms lose money too, you know, make bad trades. But yeah, I mean, take it with a grain of salt. We'll leave it at that. Take it with a grain of salt. So that is that, guys. And again, in terms of the charts here, we're looking phenomenal, right? Now we're up even more from where we were about 2 minutes ago, right? And we're pushing 1650. And guys, in my opinion, looking here on the 4-hour chart, if we're able to clear $17, $17.25, this little window, I think we could fly. I'm going to set my alert at $17 per share. And if we get out of there, man, again, 18.50, no problem in the short term. That's just my opinion. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe here on YouTube. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers, guys. And join the email list. It's free. I send out my top stocks weekly. That is linked down below. And get your 30 free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account. Deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000, you get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. Guys, it's a no-brainer, so use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.